Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first select the screen where you want to add the widget and then hold for a while your device screen, and here you will see the widgets icon. Just click here and now you can see here all the available widgets that we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can go with the clock. Here you can see that we got 4 different types of clocks, and we can add one from this widget. For example, we can add here this widget. Just click here to add it, and as can you see, this widget is added on the new screen. You can change it, sure, you can make it bigger or smaller by this way, and also we can move the widgets between the screens, for example here. Also we can create the new screen with the widget, as can you see, and just for example by the same way we can add another type of widget, for example the weather or just the calendar maybe. Here we got also 3 different types of calendar, the schedule, the just monthly calendar, and countdown. For example, we can go with the list. We can also hold for a while and drag it, for example here. By the same way we can just make it bigger if you want, and just to remove the widget, hold for a while and click to the remove icon, and by this way we can remove also the second widget. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.